Welcome to the revolution. It'll be televised. Here we go with random.org. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. The team on top at the end will go to the person in spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot number 30. Here we go. Let's do this. For revolution. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the Atlanta Hawks. Bottom team is the Sacramento Kings. Both good teams. That's 5 times. Let's get rid of it. Here we go. I'm getting ripped tonight. Of course, if you need to check out exactly who you've got, go on over to our website. Go to the break page where you picked up your spots, and you'll be able to see exactly who you got right over there. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, all. Maggie, can I come over? Hey, Sean, how you doing, buddy? Oh, Jesus. Dale will be on later on tonight. He's not in the mood to suffer shit as well. I reckon he'll be fired up. Here we go. All right, let's go. We start off early with an auto for the Hawks, number to 100 on Yeka Okongwu. Fritz, you just going over to where you picked up your spot. Click that link that's above. That is numbered 12 of 100, so nice auto there. Do it, man. He'll be on. Astro, Tyler Hero, Vortex of RJ Barrett. Impact of Gordon Hayward. And a Josh Green. Impact number 2, 149. It is a big boy, Magda. I worry that it might be too big of a boy. But we'll find out. Astro, Jimmy B. And a Supernova of Giannis. Again, upside down for some reason. Just to upset me. Fractal, Rookie Revolution, David Sell. Xavier Tillman. How you feeling? You're not, you've calmed down a little bit? Soon. No, as in, like, you don't want that to be the rookie case hit. Groove, Lou Williams, Shockwave, Jimmy Butler. You would prefer someone else. Fractal, Terry Rozier. And a LaMelo Ball rookie, first one. Jonathan Magda asks, are the Timberwolves tanking, Tabby?
No.
You didn't think they were?
We don't have our pick, so...
Oh, who's got it?
Flores, because of dealer trade.
Oh, wow. What's the dinner? Not sure. DeMar DeRozan, Middleton, Lowry. Groove rookie, Josh Green, and a lift-off of Ja Morant. Would you give Gomez another go? I don't think that's what I'm feeling like, though. What's the best card anyone's ever pulled at Cherry? Jeez. What do you reckon, Tabby? Sausages and mash? That's a good dinner. Astro on Yeko Okongwu, Obi Toppin rookie. Jeez, that's hard, Tabby.
There's been so many. You think of one, it's like, oh no, look at that one.
Yeah. You know, I'm moving this box away because it's a Revolution box and I don't want to get it mixed up.
And then there's obviously stuff that we don't know about. Like we weren't around. Cherry's been around for so long.
Yeah, there'd be some like Kevin Durant card that Grayson pulled at one point that's now worth like $1 million.
Yeah.
Like
Exactly.
Groove rookie Tyrell Ture and liftoff LeBronski. LeBron base, I always include those. Kuzma. Fractal Joel Embiid. And Deshaun Tate. Groove. Jalen Brown, Supernova D-Book. That's a good point, Graydon. Fractal, Draymond Green. Cassius Stanley. Logan, that's actually kind of where I was going for. It's not number 1 in value, but it's number 1 in, like, you know, cool cards. Astro, Kevin Love. Shockwave, Luka Doncic. Logan brought up a good point. The LaMelo 101, because while it might not be number 1 in value, it's hard to rank, like, NT and flawless cards. Like, you get a Zion RPA, you're like, oh, yeah, that's good. Astro, Zeke Naji. Tyrese Maxey. Tua Tagovailoa Shields also really pretty big. Like,
Good year so far.
yeah. Galactic Zion Williamson. That is a big boy. Huh? 2 Galactics? I mean, you're not going to complain.
No, you're not.
That's huge for the Pelicans. Kyrie Irving Vortex.
Yeah, the old Westbrook from last night, was it?
Yeah.
Last night, yeah.
That's pretty damn big.
Nice, man.
Doesn't make much sense, but
What in life does?
yeah, no. Graydon's Galactics are numbered 20 or lower, so that's pretty big. That's very nice. Who ended up with the old Pelicans? New Orleans spot 7. Tyler DeCourt. Is that what TDK stands for? Because that's a big boy. Yeah, a bit of a Zion roll lately. I just don't get it, Terry. It doesn't make much sense to me. Cosmic, Jaren Jackson Jr. and Tyrese Halliburton rookie. I don't think I've seen... I mean, nothing about Revolution ever makes sense, but... Oh, if you're going to get a Galactic on both sides, one of them may as well be bloody Zion. Am I right? Oh, jeez, I just dropped my sleeves. Oh, you know when you go to catch something with your thighs and you clap your cheeks together? Oh, congratulations, TDK. Big boy card right there. That's right. I did hit a Zion Galactic rookie. Yeah. All right. Well, that's good. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say what the biggest hit is. Like, everything's, you know, if you only open flawless... Oh, Jesus. Logan, no. Well, yeah, well, if Onyeka's going to end up being the case here, which he does tend to be, that's a Luka and a Zion in the same pack. Astro, Pokuševski, Killian Hayes. Yeah. Gee, Steve Kerr auto for the Bulls. Astro, Aaron Baines, Vortex, Lillard. How much do you reckon that's worth, Tabby? Couple hundred? Potentially 1,000? Like,
Yeah.
wait till he starts playing again. Cosmic D-Rose and a Jada McDaniels.
Yeah, it'd be like 600-700 or whatever.
Yeah, that's 14 out of 100. I believe... I'm not going to say what Steve Kerr's son's name is. Tyrell Terry. And LeBron James Shockwave. Tyrell is the fractal. Do you know what his son's name is? Nicholas. That is a truth, Tabby.
Really?
Yep. Fractal Vortex of Giannis. I'm good, Cassius Winston. Stressful start, but you know what helps stress? Hitting big boy cards. This has been a big case. Magic Johnson. Larry Bird. 2 Galactics so far. Astro, Damian Lillard. Tyrese Maxey, Rookie Revolution. Groove, Zion Williamson. Hey, Adrian, how you doing, buddy? And Shockwave, Ben Simmons. A Fractal, Kevin Huerta, and a rookie of Cole Anthony. So we're at the halfway point. One auto so far. That's illegal, DDC. I'm getting ripped tonight. Groove, rookie, Cole Anthony. And Vortex, Devin Booker. Why are there 2 teams listed on May 18? Really? Nah, great. You'll get in my ass. There should be 4 autos on average. Astro of Skylar Mays and Nick Richards. Great, and you ain't fooling me. Another Zion base. Jeez, this is Zion City. Fractal, Trae Young Vortex, Killian Hayes. Oh no. Did I really? Another auto coming up, and it's not another good one. It's Wendell Carter Jr. Auto for the Bulls. Astro, Kemba Walker, and a Supernova Russell Westbrook. So we've had the numbered on Onyeka, Steve Kerr, and Wendell Carter. Oh, one might be last year's one. I've checked. Impact of Davis Bertans, Cole Anthony rookie. That's number 97-149. Hey, Heath, how you doing? Oh, yeah, the 1-1 Zion from 1-1 was huge. Astro, geez, this guy's been popping up a lot as well. Gordon Hayward, Devin Vassell. Sup, Itchy, how you doing? Groove, Blake Griffin. Liftoff, AD. Groove, Laurie, and a Cassius Stanley. You excited for your day off tomorrow?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
No. Do not select base. Oh, is that a mosquito? I don't like to kill animals, but this one I may make an exception. Fractal, Chris Middleton, Josh Green. Mosquitoes don't tend to really annoy me because of my vegetarian blood. They know there's nothing there for them. Oh, he's gone. Off to ruin the world. Astro, Jonas Valanciunas. Vortex, Zion. Astro rookie, Jordan Nwora. Xavier Tillman. Zion's everywhere, TDK. Astro, DeAndre Ayton. Shockwave, Devin Booker. So the Sun's picking up a nice couple of cards here. Sunburst of nice, Klay Thompson. Numbered 16-75, Malachi Flynn. That's for the Warriors, the Sunburst. Groove, Xavier Tillman. Shockwave, Joel Embiid. Fractal Vortex, Bam Adebayo, Obi Toppin rookie. Just a whole bunch of Zion variants, Graydon. Just some nice stuff. Lots of inserts. Groove, MPJ, and a LaMelo Ball rookie revolution. They are hard to come by. Oh, good name on the back there. No Crown Royales are broken yet, Jesse. Groove rookie of Tyler Bay. James Wiseman rookie Revolution. Nice. The early breaks that have happened so far are team squads in this Revolution case break. Astro rookie Obi Toppin. A Trey Jones. Astro B Lopez. Vortex of Jimmy Butler. D'Lo Russell Sunburst and Dev Vassell. That is noted 1 of 75. And then Dev Vassell. Shout out to all 103 people tuned in. Check out the breaks that are listed for tonight. Fractal rookie Daniel Turu. We got a whole bunch on. Vortex Klay Thompson. Fractal Shockwave. Nice. Ja Morant and a Precious. Great, and some people don't like it. Groove, Jonas Valanciunas, and a Shockwave Trae Young. Yeah, some people really don't. A lot of people are the same as you, but I don't know. I think it's a pretty even split. Nice Kevin Durant Fractal, and a Isaac Okoro. Nah, I fully get it. I'm a fan. I love Revolution every year. Hey, Bowen, how you doing? Fractal rookie, Cassius Stanley. James Wiseman rookie Revolution, so another nice Wiseman. We should get another auto in here, and hopefully it's a big one. I'm getting ripped tonight. That's all right, Peanut. Nice Fractal Tyrese Halliburton. And a Dev Vassell. Luca Base. Wood Groove of Sexton and Vortex of Jimmy Butler. Zion Base. Old Fractal Bradley Beal, Trey Jones. Oh, DDC. Playing with fire there. Astro, nice. Luka Doncic for the Mavs. Vortex of Clay. Warriors, Mavs, Pellies probably doing the best. Oh, Bulls as well. They've got a whole bunch of autos. Hawks not doing too bad with their Onyeka. Astro, Jayshawn Tate, and a rookie of Precious. Auto coming up. And it's not bad. To 100 for the Bulls. Patrick Williams. That's very nice. Congrats, Bulls. Beautiful little card right there. Astro of Wood and Shockwave Trae Young. Cosmic for the Pacers, Victor Oladipo, Isaac Okoro. Now about 26 of 100. So that's pretty nice. Congratulations, Bulls. That's a big pickup. Oh, what? Magda. Wow. Wow. Astro John Wall. And a Vernon Carey Jr. Astro, Terry Rozier. Anthony Edwards, Rookie Revolution. So I was worried that Onyeka would be the best, but Patrick Williams. Definitely showing up exactly when we needed him. Theo Maladon, Astro. Emmanuel Quickly, Rookie. Just a couple of packs to go, and it'll be about 6 o'clock where we can do a little refresh. Astro, Eric Gordon. And a Vortex, LeBron James. Cubic, nice for the Sixers. Ben Simmons. And a LaMelo Ball rookie, 25 of 50. So that's jersey number. That's pretty damn nice. And a LaMelo Ball. So that's quite nice. First of all, a 25 of 50 cubic Ben Simmons. Don't know why my thick sleeves are so similar to my thin. And then the LaMelo Ball rookie. So that's pretty nice as well. So Hornets not doing too bad. A little bit of love. Astro, Westbrook. Astro. Vortex of Kawhi Leonard. A little bit later on, Capital Cards UK. It'll be, 2728. That's old. John Wall, Terry Rozier, Chris Middleton. Fractal liftoff for the Clippers of Kawhi Leonard and a Jaden Noel. Final pack. Tabby, if you can guess a team, and if it's in this last pack, you win. You get some Pelicans. First card is, well, it's not on the back, so you're 1 in 4 now. And we got 4 chances now. Eric Gordon. Kyle Lowry. Durant. Groove, Jarrett Culver. Why did you not say Timberwolves? And Jimmy Butler. And that is that for Revolution Case 3255.